everyone, welcome back to my channel. Stupid right? How come do camera recording in the room one? So funny. No budget, of course do in the room lah. Anyway, my red mouth, you'll be laughing if you see how I install my camera in the house to record this video. Last week I installed a puppy grip for one of my subscribers. He asked me where is the bike shop or any recommended bike shop for him to repair his Super 4. So after that I have this idea came out of my mind. Why not I do top 10 bike shop in Singapore? Correct huh? Then after that I go and Google, I go and research. After everything I go and ask my friend for a review. All the bike shop came up same as what I thought. So very nice, I'm doing this video to show you our top 10 bike shop. If your bike shop is not in the list, too bad, ask your bike shop to work harder lor. Correct or not? If your bike shop is in the list, share this video with your friend. Don't wait anymore. Be proud of your bike shop, correct? Okay? So keep watching, the top 10 coming up now.
Number 10.
Number 9.
Number 8.
Seven.
Number 6. Five. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.